enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hand back when we were throwing up.
Then you smile over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I put you closer to my chest, yeah. And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest.
I knew I loved you then, but you never know. Cause I played cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.
I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring a coffee with kiss on the head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for the night.
When you look over your shoulder, for a minute you forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever. And I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow.
I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you till we grand old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.
I wanna live with you, even where it goes. Cause you were always there for me when I need you the most.
I'm gonna love you till my last give out. I promise till day we part, like in our vows.